Deep in the heart of Igbo land, nestled within the lush and vibrant landscapes of Nigeria, lies a place shrouded in mystery and fear. This place, known to the locals as the Evil Forest, has been the subject of countless tales and legends passed down through generations. It is said that within this forest, ancient rituals and dark practices took place, practices so sinister that they would haunt the memories of those who dared to speak of them. The stories of the Evil Forest are not just tales of the past, but a chilling reminder of the power and mystery that still lingers in the heart of Igbo land. This is the story of the Evil Forest, a place where history and legend intertwine, creating a narrative that continues to captivate and terrify. In traditional Igbo society, twins were considered a taboo or an abomination. This belief was deeply rooted in their cultural and spiritual practices. The birth of twins was often seen as an ominous sign, leading to fear and superstition among the community members. As a result, the practice of abandoning twins became a common, albeit tragic, solution. This abandonment wasn't limited to twins alone. Children born with disabilities were also subjected to similar fates. The community believed that these children brought misfortune or were a sign of displeasure from the gods. Consequently, these practices were carried out in an attempt to protect the community from perceived harm. Over time, these customs have been challenged and largely abandoned, but they remain a poignant reminder of the complexities of cultural beliefs and practices. The practice was driven by a range of cultural, traditional, and social factors. In the Igbo society, traditions and beliefs were deeply rooted in their way of life. These customs were passed down through generations, shaping the community's identity and values. The Igbo people held strong convictions about the spiritual world and its influence on their daily lives. They believed that certain occurrences, such as the birth of twins, were not just random events but carried significant spiritual implications. The Igbo people believed that twins were a sign of evil or a curse from the gods. This belief stemmed from ancient myths and stories that portrayed twins as harbingers of misfortune. As a result, the birth of twins was often met with fear and apprehension. Elders and spiritual leaders would perform rituals to cleanse the community and protect it from the perceived negative influence. These practices, though harsh by modern standards, were seen as necessary to maintain harmony and balance within the society. The practice was eventually abolished by the British colonial authorities, who introduced Christianity and Western education to Igbo land. Today, the Evil Forest is a dark chapter in Igbo history. However, it serves as a reminder of the importance of promoting human rights, dignity, and inclusivity. Follow us to learn more about Igbo culture and history.